Stranger Things is almost back, and Netflix has partnered with Skinny Butcher to create these plant-based, crazy, crispy chicken nuggets. It's a weird time. We normally don't cover food on this channel, but we are covering a lot about Stranger Things, from Jeremiah going to the New York event that's happening, from the show coming. Why not chicken nuggets? So let me show you what you get inside the box, and then we'll actually cook these up and we'll taste them. So first thing, it says there's 5 pieces of serving, and there are 5 servings per container, so that should be about 25 chicken nuggets, and they are all plant-based, so that's going to be really interesting. They're traditional chicken nugget type sizes, but I'm very interested to see how close to the chicken these nuggets go. So we're going to find out, and we'll get back. So I brought with me my most discerning chicken nugget fan. Chicken nugget, so she can try them out. Nom.
Yeah.
What do you think? Chicken nugget? So we've got the chicken nuggets here now ready made to eat. Let's give it a try and see what they taste like. Yum yum? You're welcome. Clearly they passed the child chicken nugget test, so that's a bonus. They actually taste really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.